I am attempting a vegan meatloaf. This is some ground up walnuts that I soaked overnight. I have some onion, green pepper chopped up here. I'm going to be adding some tomato puree, some tomato paste. I have my seasonings of hickory smoke and soy sauce. I also have a steak seasoning. I'm going to use some pink salt, some pepper. I have some minced garlic here I'm going to put in there. And I've got these portobello mushrooms that I'm getting ready to chop up in the food processor. I'm also going to have these black beans, and depending on how it comes together, I may have to add in some wheat gluten. I have these leftover lentils that I'm just going to throw in. I didn't really want those, but I don't want to waste them. I'm also going to add a flax egg to help thicken this. I'm torn on whether these actually help or not, but they are healthy, so I go ahead and put that in to the mixture. Now, these are my black beans. I know they probably look really yucky, but you know what? So does raw meat. So there you go. This is the black beans that I pulsed in the food processor. Also, I have the onions and the green peppers in there. I put some seasonings. We have the walnut meat. I'm sorry, that's the walnut meat. This is these are some mushrooms. And I'm gonna go with these dried crackers. I decided to just grind up some crackers first before I did the wheat gluten, just to see what that does. Right, I have iced this, I guess you can call it, with some tomato paste, and I'm going to pop it in the oven for at 350 for probably 30 minutes, and we'll see where it is. Okay, it is done. I have green beans, some mashed potatoes, and a mushroom and onion gravy. And this is the meatloaf. I just had someone tell me eat loaf instead. I will say that, you know, it's soft in texture. It's not going to sit up like a meat, but it does sit up pretty good. I had it in there for about 45 minutes. I turned it up on the last 15 minutes to 400 instead of 350. I think I should let this cool. I learned a few things, so for the next time, but overall, a good meal.